Good morning, grade 6. Good morning, and today, inshallah, we'll continue lesson 3, page 451, area of trapezoids. Now, let's remember yesterday what we did. Yesterday, we said this quadrilateral is a trapezoid. It has two bases, base 1, base 2. Guys, give me a 1 minute or less, please, guys. Thank you. Yeah, bring it. No, bring it. Okay, guys, again, this is base 1. Sorry, guys, this is base 1, base 2, and the line segment between them, which has right angle, we call it height. Okay, and yesterday we wrote the formula and we applied it. A equal the formula of the area of the trapezoid, half multiply bracket base 1 plus base 2 multiply the height. This is what we did yesterday. I think we did example 1 and the check. Today we'll go directly to example 2, page 455. 455. Example 2, page 455. I'll start with Badr. Yalla, Badr, read. Go, guys, go to example 2, page 455, please. Read, Badr. Badr. طيب كناك ريا.
Yes, mister.
يلا read يا ابني.
Find the area of the trapezoid.
Yeah, we have this trapezoid here. This is trapezoid, right?
Yeah.
How much is 1 down? 10
feet.
what? Feet. That's 2.
6 feet.
6 feet. The height between them?
5 feet.
5 feet. So we have base 1, base 2, and one of the height. What's the area?
Half base 1 plus base 2.
Okay.
Then h height.
Then h multiplied by height. Yalla, equal under equal. Half.
Yes, half multiply. 10. Plus 6.
What?
Half multiply 16 multiply 5.
Good. Now half of 16 is
8. 8 multiply 5,
multiply
40.
5, 40. 40 what?
Feet to the power 2.
Excellent. This is example 2, guys. It's direct application to the formula. We write the formula, we replace the variables or the dimensions. B1, B2, and H, we call them dimensions. Then we calculate using order of operations. This is example 2. After example 2, we have check. Let's do the check together. Check question, page 455 also. Abdul Rahman.
Yes, miss.
Yalla, Abdul Rahman, check a question.
Find the area of the trapezoid.
So we have a trapezoid and we need to find the area of it. We have this trapezoid here. something like this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now the bases are 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter and here 4 centimeter. And what's the height between them?
3 centimeter.
3 centimeter. Good. Tell me.
First, we will write the formula A equal half
Equal. أيوة.
bracket base 1 plus base 2
Good.
multiply
Multiply the height. Good. Equal half. Multiply.
open bracket 2 plus 4
2 plus 4.
multiply 3
Multiply 3. Equal half. Multiply 2 plus 4 is
6
6. Multiply 3.
3
Half of 6
3 multiply 3
is 9. 9 centimeter power 2. This is the check, guys, page 455. Please copy it in your book. Copy the check, guys. Copy the check. Now, after this check, guys, we have example 3. Example 3. Page 456. Example 3, page 456.
Mister,
Yes, Ibni.
I think we don't solve the check of example 1.
Do it.
Okay.
Now, in example 3, we have a trapezoid also, the shape of Osceola County, Florida. This is, I think, area or town or whatever. So this is the graph in your book, and we will find the formula or the area of it. We have trapezoid, something like this. Look here, guys. This. Now down we have 16.4 mile. I think it's a town, okay? Up we have 48 mile. And the height, it's not in the middle. They wrote here right angle, means this line is the height. Because they put here right angle means this line is the height, and it is 51 mile. Now this area or this town, let's say we will find its area. Now I'll apply the formula A equal half B1 plus B2 multiply height equal half multiply B1 16.4 multiply the height 48 multiply the height 51. Now add this half of it, then multiply with 51. The answer will be 1642.2. 1642.2 mile square. 1642 square miles. This is example 3. Now we'll do the check, me and you, on your box. The check. Page 456 also. Ziyad.
Yes.
Yalla Ziyad, the check, page 456, read.
The shape of the driveway resembles a trapezoid. Find the area of the driveway.
So we have the driveway, It's similar to trapezoid, and it's surrounded by the red line. See it?
Yes.
Good. So we have this trapezoid here, something like this. Something like this. And here they put the right angle. Here and here, they put the right angle. Means this one is what? The height. So here we have 4 meters, 4 meters, and up we have
2.5.
2.5 meters, 2.5 meter. Down here we have
4.8.
hello?
4.8.
4.8 meter. Okay. Now we need to find the area of this driveway. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. A equal
A equal half multiply
احكي يا ابني.
4.8.
Write the formula. زياد.
Okay.
في زياد the formula. يلا.
Base 1
ايوه.
plus base 2
بسرعة يا زياد. ايوه.
multiply half.
تمام. Equal half
Half
multiply يلا
4.8 plus
4.8 plus
2.5
2.5 multiply the height 4, right? Now let's add the brackets first. 4.8 plus 2.5 by side. 4.8 2.5, we add them. This is 13 decimal 7, 7.3. So we have half multiply 7.3 multiply 4, right? Now half of 4 is 2, right, Ziyad? Half multiply 4 is how much?
half multiply 4 2.
2. Half of 4 is 2. 2 multiply 7.3, it is 14.6. 14.6 meter per 2. Thank you, Ziyad. This is the check, guys. Copy it, please. Now, in the page 457, we have check also. In page 457, we have check also. Let's do it together. Check page 457. Who can help me here? Amir? Yalla ya Amir.
Yes, mister.
Amir, are you with me?
Yes.
Good. Amir, we have check page 457,
Yeah.
the tables. You see it?
Yes.
Good. Read the question. A teacher's
A teacher's small group table is the shape of trapezoid. Find the area of the table.
So we have table, something like this, okay?
Yes.
And it's similar to, or it's trapezoid, it has trapezoid. The dimensions are down, we have 6 feet.
6 feet.
Up
3.5 feet.
3.5 feet. And the height
3 feet.
between them 3 feet, okay?
Yes.
Right. Now, they want what? The area of this table, right? What's
Yes.
the area? Yeah.
First,
equal
A equal half
half.
bracket
Mhm.
base 1 plus base 2
Good.
height H
High. Good. Equal half
equal half
multiply
3.5 plus 6
3.5 plus
plus
6
6
multiply the
multiply
height
3
3. Good. Equal half
half
multiply 3.5 plus
3.5
6. It is
equal 4.
9. No.
Oh, yes,
3.5
yes,
plus
Mister.
6. It is 9.5.
5,
Multiply mean the 3.
3,
Now look here, Amir. Half over 3. How much?
1.5,
1.5 multiply mean 9.5.
9.5.
So we multiply 1.5 by 9.5, guys. We get the answer, right?
Yes,
Good. Let me multiply it for you quickly. 1.5. You know how to multiply, right, Amir?
yes.
9.5 is 100. Sorry, what's 100? 9.5. It is 14.25. 14.25, and the unit is feet. So it is squared
Feet.
Thank you, Amr. This is check, guys, page 457. Please copy it, please. Check page 457. Right. Now let's do the other idea. Now, in all of these examples, guys, in all of these examples and check questions, the question gave me the basis and the height, and the question wants from me to find the area. Okay. Now we'll do the opposite. The question will give me the area, and one of the dimensions is missing. One of the dimensions is missing. So we need to find the dimensions, the missing dimension, by making an equation. So let's start with example 5. Example 5, page. Example 5, page 458. 458. Example 5. Focus with this idea, guys. Jad.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla, Jad. Do you see example 5, page 458?
Yes.
Yalla, read the question.
Find the missing dimension of the trapezoid.
Good. We have a trapezoid, guys. See it in front of you. We have a trapezoid. See it, Jad?
Yes.
Yalla. What they wrote here?
H.
H. Down here, what we have?
15 feet.
15 feet. Up,
12 feet.
fog, 12 feet. And under the 15 feet, they wrote what? A
equal
equal
108 feet to the power
108 feet. Good. Now here, Jad, the area is given, feet for 2, right? The area is given, and the base 1 is given, base 2 is given, and we want to find the height, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What's the first step?
A equal half
Aywa. A equal
A equal half
أيوة
B base 1
base
plus
1
base
plus
2
base 2 multiply
multiply H.
H. So the first step, we write the formula which connects all of these things together. Okay, but then after we write the formula, what we need to do?
108 equal.
Exactly. We replace A, guys, by its value. So A is 108 feet power 2. It is given. Here, the A is given. But in the previous questions, the A was not given. We found it. So A here is how much? 108. As Jack said, replace A by 108. So here I'll put 108 equal. The half comes down, then multiply, right? Base 1, is
Yes.
it given?
Yes, 15.
15. Base 2, is it given?
Yes, 12.
12. The H, is it given?
Yeah, no.
No, so H comes H. H is the missing dimension, the height. We need to find it. Top. Next, I need to simplify this one, ya Jad. 108 equal. Tell me.
Equal 15 plus 12 equal 27.
Half multiply 27 H, right?
Yes.
Good. Now, I need to simplify more. What I will do?
Divide 27 by 2.
Exactly. Half of 27 is how much? 13.5, right? 13.5 ish. H, right? No, multiply. And we don't write multiply. But what we call this here, Jad?
Equation.
A multiplication equation, right? Now, in multiplication equation, what we do?
Divide the connected number.
No, we call it the coefficient here, okay? So we divide both sides by what?
13.5.
Yeah, by 13.5, both sides. Now 13.5 gone, still H will be 8. H is exactly 8.
8.
So the height is how much?
8.
8 feet. The height, H equal 8 feet. This is example 5, guys. Thank you, Jad. Here is opposite idea, guys. In this idea, the dimensions are given and the question wants from us to find the area. But here, the area is given and one of the dimensions is missing. We need to find it by applying the formula also. This is example 5, page 458. Copy it. No, you don't need to copy. Let's do the check after it together. Check. Page 458. Yusuf.
Yes.
Read.
Okay. Find the missing dimension of the trapezoid.
Good. We have this trapezoid, this one, right?
Yeah, right.
And they want the missing dimension. Here, what we have down here?
Here is the height.
Down, Yabni, what we have?
Down, okay, the base 1. Base 1. 5
How much,
yards.
Yabni? How
5 yards. 5
ما
yards.
تحكي يوسف يلا 5 yards. So we have the base 1 5 yards, base 2 up
2 yards.
2 yards. Good. 5 yards, 2 yards. And this we call it height. And the area is given how much?
21 yards.
21
Yards to the power 2.
yards squared. Good. So up we have 2 yards, down we have 5 yards, and the height is missing, and the area is given. Now, the first step, yeah, Yusuf.
write the formula A equal half
ايوه
parentheses B1 plus B2
ايوه
and close the
multiply height.
parentheses H.
تمام. Now
Now 21 equal
21 equal half.
21 equal half
ايوه
5 plus 2
5 plus 2 multiply mean the height, right?
multiply yeah
Good. Now 21 equal
21 equal 5 plus 2 equal 7.
So half multiply 7 and the h comes
Yeah.
down, right?
Yeah, and the
Now
half
of 7 how much?
Is
Huh?
3.5.
3.5 h.
H.
Now what we call this? What we call
Equation.
this? Multiplication equation.
Equation.
What we do to solve it?
Multiply by 3.5. Divide by 3.5 on both sides.
Good. Divide by 3.5 in both sides. So
Yeah.
height will be 21 divided by 3.5. You do it, it will be 6 feet. 6 yards, sorry. So the
6.
height equal 6 yards.
Okay.
Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yeah.
This is the check, guys, page 458. Please copy it. Don't just write h equals 6 yards. Copy the steps, guys. The steps, please.
Okay. Mute.
Yes, mute. Copy the check, guys. Now I will do for you guys the check page 460. No, you will do the check page 460. I'll do the apply question page 459. Okay? The apply question page 459. I will do it. And you will do in the same idea the check question page 460. The same idea. Now, if you see the apply question page 459, guys, the parking lot shown is being repaved. Repaved, they put asphalt in it, okay? You know, يعني بزفتوا الشارع. Now, I'm here, guys, in the apply question, okay? The parking lot shown here, repaved, the office manager budgeted $10,000 for the repaving project. Asphalt for the parking lot costs 8.95 per square foot. Find the cost of the asphalt to determine if the office manager budgeted enough money to complete the project. So we have this figure here, this area. They want to put asphalt on it, and each 1 square foot costs 8.95. Now, what we'll do, guys, here, to know if the $10,000 is enough or no, we need to find the area of this figure here, the area of this figure here. So I'll graph the area on the board and try to find, I'll graph this figure on the board and try to find its area. Now, Give me a second, guys. I will just take pictures for the board. Good. Okay. Now I will graph it on the board, guys. I'm on page 459, the apply question. The apply question, page 459. Now we have this figure. We have this figure here, and they put dimensions on it, 35 feet here, 35 feet, and here they make height, and the height is 24 feet, 24 feet, and down here we have 32 feet, 32 feet, and here we have 15 feet, and here this width or length is 42 feet, 42 feet. This is the figure, guys. This is the figure in front of us. Now we need to find the area of it. Now I don't know this figure name, so it has no name. It's not from the famous figures. But if I make a division here, or if I cut it from here, okay, guys, I will have two figures. I will have two figures. I can make it from here, or I can make it from here also. See, I can make my line here, and I can make my line here also, right? Now, what we have, if I make this line, I have two figures. I will call this A1, and this I will call it A2. Now, A1 is rectangle, and the area of the rectangle, we know it, length by width. We know the area of the rectangle, right? Now, A2, this A2 here, is what? Trapezoid, base 1, base 2, height. So to find the area, it will be A1 plus A2 equal. A1 is rectangle, means length by width. The area of the rectangle, length by width. 15 multiply 42 plus. Area 2 is a trapezoid. This whole figure here, guys, is a trapezoid. Means I can use our formula. But in the trapezoid, I need base 1 and I need base 2 and the height. Base 2 is given, the height is given, but base 1, this part is not given. What given is the whole part, which is 32. But I want this part only. But this part here is 15. This part down here is 15. If you cut 15 from the 32, the answer is still what? 17 for this part, okay? So base 1 given, base 2 given, and the height given, I can find the area. So area is half multiply base 1 plus base 2, which is 17 plus 35, multiply the height, which is a 24 given. Now this is area of A1, the rectangle, area of A2, the trapezoid. Now I can find by calculations this area equal to. The area equals to, let's calculate it quickly. I will put it in my calculator. We have 15 multiply 42 plus half multiply 17 plus 35 multiply the height 24. The answer is 1254. 1254 feet squared. Now this is the area, 1254 feet square. So the area of the whole figure, okay, is 1254 feet square. Let's go back and read the question again. The question said, each square foot costs 8.95. Each square foot costs 8.95, right? So if each square foot costs 8.95, how much 1254 square feet costs? We will multiply. So the total cost will be the cost of the asphalt for this area will be 1254 multiply the cost of each foot, which is 8.95, which is equal to multiply 8.95. It is $11,223.03. So what I did here, guys, I found the area, I found the cost. The cost is $11,223.23. But the budget is how much? The question said at the beginning here, the budget is 10,000. Down, they ask us, is it enough or not enough to complete the project? 10,000, it's less than this money, the wanted money, so it is not enough. So here the budget is not enough. Not enough. Need more money. He needs more money. So this is the apply question, guys. Now what you will do now at your home, you will do this one, read the question, try to figure out how we solve it. You will do your homework, you know that, and don't forget your online assignment at 2 p.m. today, okay? That's all for today. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. Any questions? Amr, Yusuf.
Mister, can you re-explain the applied question?
Mister, we have the whole area. I make division here, right?
Yeah.
So what's this? Trapezoid. What's this?
Trapezoid.
Rectangle. Now, base 1 given, base 2 is not given. I split it. Why? Because this 15 means this 15, right?
Yeah.
The whole of it is 32. How much for this one still be if this 15?
17.
So I found area 1 length by width, area 2 by our formula, right?
Right.
This is the area. Each square feet costs 8.95. So what's the total cost will be? This number of money, right?
Yeah.
Type. The question asked us if the manager has 10,000, is it enough?
No.
This number is bigger, so it is not enough. Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, do the check after this apply, do your homework, and do your online assignment from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Thank you so much. Have a good day.